out of the sky. Tri-state area, not a cloud in the sky. Dedicated those spells, that's the past. Those who know, that's the future. May we never forget.
Okay, now we're gonna be taking the metro, as you can hear. Okay guys, now we're exiting the metro, we're gonna go to Rockefeller Center. Central Park Soup. T'as l'air vraiment fancy schmancy. Hein? New York, New York. This is for the cool people. Look at this, guys. This is for cool people only. Cool people, only New York. So we're getting hungry, so we're gonna go eat now. Happy, Anis? Sorry.
Yeah, so it's over there. Keep going, guys.
Okay, so now we're gonna go eat pizza. Took a chocolate truffle cake.
Ouais.
So I just finished it, so yeah. See, all done. Okay, now we're going back to the hotel. Well, not going back because I didn't see it yet, but we're going to the hotel. Video log, I told you. Shh. You know what's awkward? Your face. Oh, Dad.